After assembling the AnkerMake M5 Speedy 3D printer, there are a few more setup steps before printing. First, let's level the bed using the auto level feature. This ensures accurate 3D prints. Press the auto level button when turning on the M5. If skipped, tap Control, then auto level and start auto level. It takes about 10 minutes. Tap Done when finished. Next, load the filament. Cut the end at a 45-degree angle with the side cutter to help load it into the extruder. Place the filament roll on the holder, ensuring minimal resistance as the printer pulls the filament. Insert the filament into the left side of the printer, guiding it to the extruder through the tube. Stop feeding when it can't go any further. Press the extruder button and continue feeding until you feel resistance. On the touchscreen, tap Control, then Extrude. Set the temperature to 180 degrees. Tap the green button and then tap Extrude. Once the filament flows evenly from the nozzle, press Stop.